Once you turn 18, nobody can help you. Your mom, your dad. I'm just trying to teach you discipline now. I'm trying to help you out, and you don't get that. As a brother, I'm really trying to help you out. I'm trying to make sure you're streaming. I'm trying to make sure you're going to streaming university.
Do not care. I hate you, bro.
Why do you hate me? Huh? My mama always told me not to hate anybody. Hate is a strong word. Like, you should never hate anybody. Never. Like, chat, I don't even hate Messi. It's not good to be hateful. My mom always told me that.